Are you doing this currently? Have you got a stick holding your hood up? Don't do that. Replace the hood shocks. They're relatively inexpensive and very easy to do. I'll show you. Come on, let's go! All you're gonna need is a pick tool or a small screwdriver will work, and your new shock. You're gonna get your hook tool behind this little cap band, and you don't need to pull it all the way off, you just need to pull it back a little. You see how I pulled it out? Once you get that out far enough, that should just slide right off of that dowel pin. Clean that off before you put your new one on. And then you gotta do the same with the top one. Putting my little hook tool or screwdriver behind it. Wiggling that band out. And there we have it. All right, I got my camera mounted on a tripod now, or maybe I can get two hands on this and make it happen. Again, we're taking our hole in the shock, placing it over the ball, and it pops right on. Now we're on the top one. We're just getting it lined up, pulling the hood up far enough, putting it over the ball, and pops it right on. And the shock snapped right on. Now for the moment of truth, move my rag, take my little stick, and the hood shocks are functioning perfectly. Now just do the same thing on the other side and you are all done. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go! What is up, YouTube? I'm Papa G, and I'm back with another DIY.